Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and highly functional tool that can benefit a variety of professionals and enthusiasts alike. We found the MT-92H Light Meter with split sensor online, and we've added the link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. The MT-92H is a sophisticated light meter designed to measure illuminance in both lux and foot candles, using advanced technology to provide accurate readings. It boasts a remarkable measurement range of up to 200,000 lux, making it suitable for a wide array of applications, from photography to horticulture to environmental monitoring. With a precision of plus or minus 3% and a resolution down to 0.1 lux, this meter ensures that even the slightest changes in lighting conditions are captured with impressive accuracy. One of the standout features of the MT-92H is its innovative split sensor design. This advanced technology allows for simultaneous measurement and monitoring, which is particularly useful in situations where lighting conditions can change rapidly. The separate probe maintains measurement integrity while offering flexible positioning, meaning you can adjust it to capture the best readings without needing to reposition the entire unit. This is a game changer for professionals who need real-time data while working in dynamic environments. Another key feature is its dual measurement units. With just a simple button press, users can switch between lux and foot candles for precise illuminance measurement, as well as toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature monitoring. This versatility is perfect for professionals working in different fields or regions, allowing them to meet various international measurement standards with ease. The MT-92H also features a high-visibility backlit display. The screen is ultra-bright and glare-resistant, ensuring that readings remain clear and legible in any lighting condition, whether you're working in total darkness or under direct sunlight. This thoughtful design element makes it easier to read measurements on the go, enhancing the user experience significantly. Compact and durable, the MT-92H weighs just 188 grams and has a space-saving profile of 125 by 56 by 30 millimeters. It runs on standard 3X AAA batteries, providing reliable operation across different professional environments. Its lightweight design means that it can easily fit into a toolkit or be carried around without feeling cumbersome. So, who is the MT-92H suitable for? This light meter is ideal for photographers who need to ensure proper lighting for their shoots, horticulturists monitoring plant light exposure, interior designers assessing ambient lighting in spaces, and even scientists conducting experiments that rely on specific light conditions. It's a versatile tool that caters to the needs of various professions and hobbies. In practical terms, imagine you're a photographer setting up for an outdoor shoot. The MT-92H allows you to measure the light conditions accurately, ensuring that your exposure settings are spot on for capturing the perfect shot. Or perhaps you're a designer working on a new office space. You can use the meter to assess how well the lighting meets the requirements for employee comfort and productivity. In a laboratory setting, real-time light measurements can be crucial for experiments that depend on specific light wavelengths. In conclusion, the MT-92H Light Meter with split sensor is a powerful tool that combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this light meter can help you achieve the best results in your lighting assessments. Thanks for watching.